What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Bluetooth audio not working on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And after that the Bluetooth will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Tap on more connectivity options and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now tap on reset settings, and when you will tap on this reset settings option here, then it will reset the Bluetooth settings back to factory default, and after that the Bluetooth issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix if Bluetooth audio is not working on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.